Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new mining website for all of you. In this video I'm also going to show you the image website is real or mine. I already make a video on it to how to take withdraw on MSG website. Now I am going to show you another mining website which is called Ceiling. How to sign up on this website? You will get $5 reward on your sign up bonus. Click on sign up button. You will see here you have to put your username and email. You have to put your password at two places and fill up this captcha and create account easily. I already have account. Now I am going to log in on this website. Fill up this captcha and going to log in on this website. You will see here we can mine Bitcoin Cash and Dash and Tron without deposit on this website. You will get 180 giga hash rate power on this website. Now I am going to show you how we have three methods: script or ETH hash. If you want to mine ETH hash and script, in script you can mine Litecoin, Stellar, Dogecoin and Zcash. If you want to mine these cryptocurrencies, then you have to deposit on this website. You have to buy mega hash rate power. If you want to mining ETH hash, in ETH hash you can mine Ethereum or Ripple. If you want to mine these two currencies, you have to deposit on this website, then you will mine these cryptocurrencies. If you want to mine SHA-256, you will get 180 GHS as a reward. You will mine Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dashcoin or Tron. Now I am going to show you how you can deposit on this website and how you can increase your mining speed without investment on this website. Now I am going to show you how you can purchase mining speed on this website. In here you can purchase mega hash rate power in ETH hash and script. You see that ETH hash script SHA-256. If you want to buy mega hash rate power in ETH hash script, you have to here you need to select your cryptocurrency wallet address. Then you have to put your required amount, how much amount you want to deposit on this website, and click on purchase mega hash rate power. You will purchase easily. Now I am going to show you how you can take withdraw on this website. You have to, first of all, you have to deposit your wallet address in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, any cryptocurrency. I want to take withdraw in Tron. You have to put your amount over here. Then if you want to, here you have to put your wallet address. Then you will get your withdraw easily. Now I am going to show you how you can increase your mining speed without deposit on this website. See here, you take your wallet address invitation link. Here you have to copy this link and share it with your family members. If other person join this website by clicking on your link, you will get a lot of mega hash rate power, giga hash rate power on this website without deposit. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, I will bring more video for all of you. We have FAQ button here. How to activate minimum to make your withdraw. How to withdraw the profit to my wallet. What is the minimum amount? You can see here what is the minimum amount you can take your withdraw on this website. You can see here you can take withdraw 100 TRX over here. Now I am going to show you the MSG website is real or fake. You can log in on this website without wasting any time and click on wallet address. You can see here I already make video. I have set my withdrawal to 0.25 dash coin on this website, and after 48 hours I am not take my withdraw in my cash mall wallet address. You can see here my balance is also zero. That's why MSG website is fake. You don't need to deposit or investment or make your account on this website. You just need to follow this website selling account, and you can mine a lot of cryptocurrencies over here. If you want to mine Bitcoin, you have to click on here and move it to 100%. Your mining in Bitcoin will start automatically. I want to mine Tron website. Now I am going to start my mining in Tron. You can see here I make my Tron wallet address easily to take my withdrawal over here. You can see everything in detail. I will give you link in the description of selling mining. Then you will click on it and you will reach here without wasting